Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you the trending effect on TikTok called Catch Me. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So, in this effect, you're basically dressed as a bear or a panda and you're running away from three eagles. Using the right sound, you can make some very funny video with this effect. So let me show you how to use this effect. Open your TikTok app on your phone. Now tap on Discover. Search for Catch Me. It should appear under Effects and look like this. Tap on it. Now check out how others have used this effect. The most popular sound which is used with this effect is the Avengers theme sound. You can find this on one of the videos and the sound name is Original Sound Heroic Screen. Go ahead and add it to your favorites. Now once you're ready to create a video using the effect, go back to the effects page and then tap on Try this effect. The effect will start right away and you'll be dressed as a panda or a bear running away. Now tap on Add Sound and select the Heroic Screen sound. Once the sound is selected, go ahead and record your video. As you can see, the camera movement will depend on the movement of your face. So if you turn left, the camera will turn left. If you turn right, the camera will turn right. If you look up, the camera will go up. And there you go, that is a Catch Me effect on TikTok. My name is Karthik and you're watching Simple Dad. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.